Okay. Hello. This, as you see, a bunch of little numbers. It says timeout value is 2.75. Now, I change this knob, and we get the serial port feeds into this program, and we get a different value, 7.75 now. Let's go back down to something small, 2 3/4. So, look over here. Here's the device in question. It has this little PIR sensor here, and so right now it's interrupted, and so the light is green, meaning there's somebody in the house. So now if we go away from it and wait 2 3/4 seconds, it goes to red, meaning that someone may be in the house, but well, I haven't tripped the sensor. So we trip the sensor, it goes back to green. We can change this knob and thus change the timeout value. Let's go up to 6 3/4. So now make sure it's interrupted. Now we sit and we wait for 6 3/4 seconds, and it goes back to red. That timeout value at the moment can be scaled, or is on a scale from like about a half second up to about 5 minutes maybe. But for production, I will probably change the scale so it goes from 4 minutes to 48 hours, because that's probably more useful range. It may be a little bit varied by the fact that there's an intrinsic timeout value to the sensor itself, but not very much. And let's see, something else. Oh, you might have heard the little click sound there of the relay turning on and off. So I need to get some 110 volts outlet hooked up to that, so I can hook up some lights that eventually will be the red and the green lights that are shown out in the street to parallel the LED that shows in the device. And then it needs an enclosure and a cheaper Arduino base. That's a $70 kit, and maybe I get a $10 bare bones little card thing. And then it should be ready, good to go.